Hi friends, I want to show you this speaker. This is the remote control. Use batteries AAA, not included. This is the speaker is small, it's easy to carry to any places. And this is the instructions, the user manual. We're gonna turn it on. You can see the lights, hear the sounds. It's ready to pair with your smartphone. As you can see, Bluetooth connection is ready to make. In your smartphone is this dispositive. It's connected, as you can see. And we're gonna reproduce some music. You can use the remote control to move the volume. You can use this too to regulate the volume. And as you can see, right here, have all the other options to connect with USB, with aux, and DC. I highly recommend this speaker. See you!